Open houses, Thursday 5 to 6:30 p.m. and Friday 6:30 to 8 p.m. Don't miss out on this updated home in a great central Bismarck location. There is new hard flooring and carpet throughout. The home is light and airy. There are 3 bedrooms on the main floor. The dining room leads out to a large deck that would be great for entertaining. You will find a main floor laundry and half bathroom off of the kitchen. Downstairs you will find a large family room with dry bar and a bonus room. This room would be a great playroom, office, or craft room. 2 more bedrooms are located downstairs with an updated bathroom in between. The utility room is outfitted with a large workbench. The garage is heated. Seller is a ND licensed real estate broker. A 1-year home warranty will be provided to buyer.